Note that the side hooks are facing the outside. Add a spacer when installing the column foot. Four-foot bolts do not need to be locked. Finally, install the top and then lock it. Remove the base plate screws for wheels. Then put the 4 corner wheels on it. 2 fixed and 2 swiveled on both sides. 4 corner wheel locking. Unlocked corner post, easy to install top. Install the top. Lock the top first and then lock the foot post. Lock top connection closed. Locking screw. Diagonal sequential locking. Installation complete. Try to push. Push smoothly without abnormal sound.